All right, here are your solutions to your homework. Can you multiply these polynomials? There are two ways to do this, but I'm going to stay consistent and draw a rectangle to do this. So I'm going to have negative 7b, and I'm going to have negative 3b minus 5, and I'm going to multiply to find each square. So negative 7 times negative 3, that's 21. And negative 7 times negative 5, that's positive 35. And that's it. There's no like terms, and that's your answer. Let's try that again. Again, I'm going to draw a rectangle. We have 8v squared, 8v plus 7. You could also distribute and get the same answer. So 8 times 8 is 64. Remember, there's a 1 here, so you add the exponents. 7 times 8, and then there's no letter or variable to add, and that's your answer. So 64v cubed plus 56v squared. Again, the expectation is that you are doing this first. You press pause, you try it, and this is to see if you did it right and to get help if you need it. So again, 3 times m, 3 times negative 3. So the answer is 3m take away 9. All right, one more like this. This is called a monomial times a binomial. So again, press pause whenever you need to. 6 times 4. And then again, add the exponents. 6 times negative 2, and then n squared. And that's it. That's your answer. So 24n cubed minus 12n squared. Number 17. There it is. It's going to require a little bit more. So we have a binomial times a binomial. I need to remember that the exponents on these v's are 1, and that's a negative 1 in front of the v. So negative 1 times negative 8 is 8, and add the exponents. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1v. 1 times negative 8 with v, and 1 times 1. And then when I put it all together, I have 8v squared minus 9v plus 1. Number 18, again, working with me here. We have a binomial and another binomial, and we multiply it out. Remember, that's a negative 1. The exponents are 1. Negative 1 times 8. And then the exponent, negative times a negative, that's positive 2k. 7 times 8, that's 56. And 7 times negative 2, that's negative 14. And then we're going to combine like terms. So we have negative 8k squared, but 2 plus 56 is 58. And then there's the minus 14. There it is. Done. Again, I'm going to multiply this out to practice. So 2x minus 7, 5x plus 4. Try it first. Press pause. So that's 10. Add the exponents. That's negative 35 with x. That's 8. And that's negative 28. So if I put it together, that's 10x squared. When the signs are different, you subtract. So 35 take away 8 is 27, and then we have more negatives, and negative 28. We're going to multiply this out. So set it up with each binomial. Multiply, that's negative 4v, that's negative 12v. Oh, it's squared, right? Add the exponents, negative 10v. And negative 30. So we have negative 4 squared minus 22v minus 30. So remember, when the signs are the same, you add these. That's where that comes from. So we have 4n and 7. Oh, we need another one here. I'm going to add it just like this. Is that okay? So this is 7n squared minus 7n minus 2. So it can be landscape or portrait style. Oh, there it is. And then I'm going to multiply it, so it's 28. That's 49. It's negative 28, 2. Negative 49. That's negative 8. And negative 14. So our answer is going to be 28n cubed. 49 take away 28. What is that? 21? I'm going with it. Negative 49, negative 8. The signs are the same. You're adding them. What is that? Negative 57. And then negative 14. All right, I'm going to do this one, this style, the one we did in class. Then I'm going to put the trinomial on top, what is this? The binomial on the side, multiply. Make sure a negative times a negative is positive, add the exponents, multiply, multiply. So check, did you get each square correct and combine like terms? So you have 40a cubed, 35 and 32, right? 67. Subtract these. 56 take away 28, that's 28. It's in half. And it's negative and then negative 49. Again, we're going to do this. So set it up. Then we're going to multiply it out. So 4, and then add the exponents. 4 times negative 2, add the exponents. 4 times negative 5 with n. 6, that's negative 12, and that's negative 30. So putting it together, I got 4n cubed minus 2n squared, negative 32n, and negative 30. All right, again, try it first. Just copying me is not going to have any value to you. So I have 20r cubed, I have 5r squared, negative 20r, 28r squared, 7r, and negative 28. Combine like terms. And you have your answer. When it's a 3 by 3, just got to make it a little bigger. So trinomial times a trinomial. This is what it looks like, so as we multiply it out. So negative times a negative. Make sure you add the exponents as you go across. Here. And then combine like terms at the end. So I have 21m to the 4th. 24 take away 14, that's 10. All of these, huh? So they're all negatives I'm adding. So 31 and 21, that's 52. So negative 52. When the signs are different, subtract them. So that's 14, but it's negative, and then 15. All right, I'm going to set this up. If you write it in incorrectly, right, you're not getting the right answer. So try to take your time, make sure you write it correctly. We're going to multiply it out. That's negative times a negative is positive, and add the exponents. Add the exponents. This is 24. That's negative 14. Add the exponents, 7 and 21. Oops, that's a 2. 6 times negative 2, that's negative 12. 6a and 18. All right. And then combine them together. So you have 16, 8 to the 4th. When the signs are the same, add them. That's negative 22. Here, well, it's negative 5 and negative 4. So that's negative 29. That's 27. And then 18. All right, Mr. G Math over now. Great job doing your homework. I hope it helped. Hope you did it first. Till next time.